Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I will show you how to easily fix headphones not detected on your POCO X8 Pro. So what we're gonna do first is let me quickly unlock it. Now the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna check the headphones. So if you guys are using USB-C headphones, then make sure that the charging port is clean. We're gonna make sure that there's nothing that can block the connection between the headphones and the phone. So as you guys can see here, we got the charging port. Now it is definitely clean for me on the inside, but if it's not clean for you, make sure to clean it out. It's very important because we want to make sure that there's no dust, dirt or debris, and make sure that there's also no visible damage, because if there is visible damage, then that might be one of the reasons why it's not working. So what are we gonna do next is we're gonna try another pair of headphones. This is very important because we want to test a different pair and make sure that there's no issues with our original one. And basically if one of them is not working and the second one is working, then that's the issue of headphones. So that's now let's go over to the next thing. If it's still not working, we're gonna restart the phone to refresh the system. So we're gonna press the power button, the volume up button, and it also goes for the Bluetooth headphones. We're gonna swipe down to reboot, and now the phone is restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. Now after the restart, what are we gonna do is we're gonna go over, and now this also goes for the Bluetooth headphones, we're gonna go over to check for software updates. So we're gonna open up settings. Now in those settings, we're gonna go to about phone, and here we're gonna tap on the Xiaomi HyperOS. As you guys can see, now it's checking. I got no updates available, but if you do, you will see them where the Xiaomi community button is. You will see the download and install button right there, and you'll be able to install the latest version. So what are we gonna do now is we're gonna switch over to the Bluetooth headphones. And what are we gonna do is we're gonna turn the Bluetooth off and on first. This is very important. As you guys can see, it's already off for me, so I'll turn it on. Now what are we gonna do is we're gonna turn it off and turn it on quickly. So this is a quick restart of the Bluetooth. And after the restart of the Bluetooth, what are we gonna do is we're gonna, if we got our device paired already, we're gonna forget it and repair it again. So I got my AirPods paired right here. What are we gonna do is we're gonna click on this arrow. We're gonna click on pair, and as you guys can see, now I will close the case. So the pairing process looks differently for every single headphone. There's no complete way to actually showing that because it all depends on the headphones you're using. So I am using the latest AirPods Pro's Freeze, and the pairing process simply takes 2 clicks on the case. And as you guys can see, we are already connected again. Now make sure that you charge your device fully. Once I've had a situation with my old AirPods 2s, they wouldn't connect unless I charged them up to 100%, and from now then they will connect easily. But if you wanted to pair them, you had to charge them to 100%. So make sure that you charge them fully. And what you guys can do as a last resort is simply factory reset your device, because we've already talked about the software update, which is in the about phone and clicking on the HyperOS right here. But now we're gonna go to about phone, scroll down to factory reset and click on erase all data. Here we need to enter the password, and now we're gonna get the notification that we want to back up them first. We want to click backup because everything will be backed up on the device. And then what are we gonna do is we're gonna click factory reset, and we will reset the entire phone. But make sure that you back up everything so you won't lose anything, and it won't even look like a reset. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.